good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Rosemary Ligayo, 23 years old, single, with 3 children, ages 9 years old son, 7 years old daughter, and 4 years old daughter. Living at Oropuno, Barangay Villaros, Bagabag, Nueva Vizcaya. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters. I am 7th child of the family. I am graduated with the help of alternative learning system called ALS, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I work here in the Philippines as housemaid for 2 years. To a couple with 2 children, ages 7 years old and 4 years old. And my duty is taking care of them and also do all the household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, and laundry, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing their safety, sir, and if they're sick, I always checking their temperature, and when they sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking and honest and responsible, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to provide my family and also, and especially for my children, and also to be financially stable in the future, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother and also my family, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and remind myself, sir, that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. when my work is done and wake up around 5 a.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer, sir, when dealing with them.
Okay. Do you accept the day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visit the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir, and I am willing to extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to Him belong, they are weak, but He is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. Sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking and honest and responsible, sir. I will serve your family with all my best, sir.
Okay.